Today we're making Chinese fried chicken and shrimp chips, aka prawn crackers. This is delicious comfort food that is crispy, juicy, crunchy, and oh so good. Marinated fried chicken just has so much more flavor than simple seasoning. I'll show you how to not only make this flavorful chicken, but also the crunchy shrimp chips that go along with it all at home. Whether you're looking to meal prep or have an extra special family dinner, this recipe hits the spot. It's not only easy to make, but it's also low cost at around $15 for everything. This recipe was passed down to me from my family, and now it's your turn to make it at home. Staring at fried chicken is making me hungry, so let's stop wasting time. Let's get cooking. Cut 1 bunch of green onions into a marination bowl. Then crush 9 garlic cloves. Add about 1.5 cups of soy sauce. And 1 cup of water. We're using about 4 pounds of chicken drumsticks today. And mix this all together. We'll transfer this to our marination container and ensure all the chicken is submerged in the marinade. Then we'll let this marinate for at least 12 hours in the refrigerator. When we're ready, we'll pour out 3 cups of flour into a mixing bowl. And then heat up some corn oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll toss our chicken in the flour to give it a nice coating. Make sure all parts of the chicken are covered. Then we'll add our chicken to the heated oil and repeat. Allow the chicken to fry for about 3 minutes before using a metal chopstick to turn the chicken over. Then allow to fry for a total of 15 minutes or until we get a nice golden brown. We can then use a metal strainer to remove our fried chicken from the oil. Check that the temperature is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit and repeat for the rest of the chicken. This smells so good right now, and just look at that chicken. We'll toss our chicken in the flour, of course, and add it to the fryer. Be sure to do a taste test, of course. And just look at that fried chicken. It's so crispy on the outside, but so juicy as well on the inside. We'll repeat this process for the rest of the chicken. Once all our chicken is done, we can fry up some shrimp chips. These are the ready-to-fry shrimp chips. You can find these at your local Asian market. Now that our chicken is done, we can fry up our shrimp chips. We'll add a handful of these shrimp chips to the hot oil. And use our metal strainer to keep it down in the oil. Then remove them carefully after they puff up. You've probably seen these shrimp chips pre-fried in bags at the store for $5, but what if I told you you can make all of these shrimp chips you're about to see for about $3? And they're fresh out of the oil too. These are so good. You can often find them at your local Asian market. Repeat for all the chips. These are one of my absolute favorite snacks, and since we're already deep frying chicken, we might as well fry them up. I'm using the metal strainer here to make sure the chips get fully deep fried, and then using them at the end to also remove any excess oil. These are crunchy, crispy, and so delicious. And boom, you have my family's Chinese fried chicken and shrimp chips. This fried chicken is so good fresh and hot, but is also really good the next day after being refrigerated. The shrimp chips are a nice side to have since we already had the oil hot. If this looks yummy, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments below what your favorite fried chicken recipe is. This is by far one of my favorite marinated fried chickens. There is just so much flavor in each bite, and it's so juicy while being crispy and crunchy on the outside. You've got to give this recipe a try and let us know how it goes. We'll see you next time.